Nakakaloka. Sinabihan ako, Stinky.
Vaker staan.
Welcome to Ecaths vlog. Today, me and Papa are going to the dentist.
Dance?
Nay, I said dentist.
Oh, dentist. Hello, good luck, Mac.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared?
No. No.
No, the dentist will do it like this your tummy.
Nay. Alleen checken. Don't check my teeth. Auw!
Sorry, my love, so sweet.
Auw. Ik ga ook liggen. Er is een spel. Dan hebben ze zo'n doos. Auw!
So, aalis sila today. Pupunta sila sa
Er
dentista.
staat een bakje met warm water daar, geloof ik.
Huh?
Er staat een bakje met warm water voor jou daar.
Oh. Oh nee.
Magmumog.
Kom maar, de auto.
Okay, good luck.
Kijk.
And don't. Iyo ka dyan.
Ja, let's go.
Ops, kayo ta. Dali Kay late na kayo.
Doei.
Tot straks. Doei. Bye. Kain.
Pasok na ako Ano naman? Papasok na ako. Papasok ka lang
So, finally mga guwaps, naliguan ko din yung ulo ko mga guwaps, yung buhok ko. So, ayan, hindi na mabaho ha. Biniro nila ako na stinky daw ako. Pero baka totoo nga, kasi 1 week na hindi ko binasa yung ulo ko mga guwaps. Kapag pumapasok ako sa umaga, half-bath lang, hindi ko binabasa yung buhok ko at saka yung ulo ko kasi malamig. At saka mag-bike ako. Feeling ko masyadong malamig dito ba. So, hindi talaga ako nagbabasa ng ulo. Lalo na ngayon, winter time. So, baka nga totoong stinky nga ako. Kakaluka. Sinabihan ako stinky. Ng dalawa. Haven't you heard of internet, girl?
Let's go. Go home. Let's go home.
Let's go.
Let's go home, Papa.
Is dit van Cath Chloe?
Chloe is sleeping.
Hoi, ik ben Wout en ik ben coördinator.
Tinanong siya ni Bana, no answer. Kasi natulog pala. So pupunta kami sa South Line sa Rotterdam. Alam niyo mga guwaps, ang New Year's resolution ko ay be positive. Be positive always. Because the past few years, I was like, with the small things, I get easily irritated and no patience, no like, yeah, parang negative. So my New Year's resolution this year is to be positive, and even if he is pasaway, and I will just okay.
I'm never pasaway.
Okay, you are pasaway now. You are answering.
So,
You
you
took
said positive. What was the A? Your choice of A?
It's A.
Well, you said B positive. What's A and C?
Nay! That's a be positive.
Ah.
Be A. Be positive. Positive sign.
That's possible for you. Better than A and C choice also.
Be positive and fight back to Eric. That's
No.
my New Year's resolution.
Not good.
That is good. Good idea. We are here now.
Wil je nog een stokje drinken? Zo?
So, kakain muna kami mga girls. Snack. Diba na?
Lekker.
Kain tayo mga girls.
Beneden. Ja, en zo.
Lekker. De vlees is toch lekker.
Nee, die zijn een beetje spicy nog.
Ja.
Even kijken.
Oh, okay. Huh?
Voor jou.
Ja, je kan binnen aandoen en buiten. Dus binnen en...
Oh yeah, mooi. She likes this. Tag ano lang mga guys. 15. 15. Soft. Ito oh, maganda din. It's nice color. We go to Primark. So busy kayo.
Pas niet.
Jawel.
Dat is goed hoor. And do you like this?
Gaan we vast doen.
Ja?
Daar is nog eentje, donkere kleur. Daar.
Oh, daar, die is ook leuk. Kijk, hier ook met kapot.
Deze. Hij houdt ook van.
Ja, dat is style. Ito ang mga ganda mga girls. Soft. Ito sale. So let's see if you need to open that. It's open! You don't have to put back the ticket. I will. I won't.
Pray.
Everything's gnarly.
Aki, your broek's format, Aki.
Aki, your group is stinky. 6, 7.
Ik heb wel eerst de show doen.
6, 7.
Hi guys, the first thing what we buy is this. Joke lang.
So, mag-unbox tayo.
Unboxing the clothes that we buy.
Oh, these are my t-shirts. I bought t-shirts
Yeah, Mama bought t-shirts.
because I need this for my if I go to work and yeah. Kailangan ko ng t-shirt tapos hoodie, vest. And wala ako masyadong t-shirt. And gusto ko yung medyo maluwag na t-shirt mga boys. She's wearing my shirt.
Mama bought it for her, but I'm wearing it.
This one is XS, S, size S. And now she's wearing it. Oh my god. And we both this all is for Chloe. Lahat ng to kay Chloe lang. Lahat mga
And we
girls.
also bought shoes for me.
I think I only have the t-shirts and the socks. Yeah, I bought a lot of socks. Yeah, we bought this for Chloe. This one is mga guwaps, nag-sale siya sa Zara. So from 35.95 naging na lang siya 7.99. O diba? 8 euro na lang. Tapos medyo malaki pa sa kanya pero mga next year siguro magkasya na to. And this mga guwaps. Shoes, ang ganda nito. From Zara. I should have bought this also for me. This is so nice. I like it. And we got this for Chloe. And the pants. And she requested for wide legs. Ayan. Mga wide na pants. Kasi daw, comfy, comfortable. Okay, ay, may paganyan-ganyan pa talaga.
I'm going to wear this.
Ayan sa kanya.
Not my problem.
Lahat ng to ay Chloe. And I bought this for her kasi nakapaldo ang mama! Natanggap ko kasi yung sahod ko sa dati kong pinagtrabahoan mga guwaps. And yeah, ayan. Dinilhan ko si Chloe. Pinag-shopping ko siya. Mga ganitong style ang gusto niya mga guwaps. Yung mga wide legs. Wide
Wide legs.
What is that called? Wide leg. Yeah, wide leg.
Yeah.
And this for her gym. Pag mag-gym sila sa school.
Mark.
And also this one. And I also have something like this.
Maar het is ook niet per se voor de gym, hè? Het kan ook gewoon voor normale kleren.
Yeah. Okay. If it's cold in the gym, you can wear this. And what else? Oh yeah, I also have a wide leg pants. And this one is from kids section. Kids.
Maar ik denk deze staat goed bij je.
This is for 14 years old. And it's still bigger than me. It's still big for me.
Goed voor Isabella.
Yeah. I think my size is for 11 years old. Oh yeah, and this for Papi. Only one. But it looks good on him. This one.
But disadvantage is I have to pay it myself.
I paid for Chloe everything. We bought from Primark, from Bershka, from Sarah. Except this one from Bana.
But I have to pay myself.
He paid for himself. Sorry, honey. Sure. But at least you saved for Chloe's.
Yeah, take it.
So here is the pants. Oh.
And here's the shirt.
Nagkasya. Wow, nice. Strak marker. Wow.
And the brook.
Hello, you look like a teenager.
Korean thing.
Teenager. Ito tayo, dalaga.
No.
Dalaga na dyan siya. Sana all. Hello? Outfit check!
Wow, nice.
Wow.
Het gaat niet op de grond. Maar
Ja.
hij moet wel even een riempje doen.
Outfit check! Hello? Oeh, outfit check!
En ik kan bij de spiegel kijken.
Uy, big girl na. Sa mga guwaps, this t-shirt, pang ano to, pang adults na t-shirt. Oh, kasya sa kanya. sa Bershka. Ano siya, XS. Ang size. Kasya na sa kanya. We will eat now, mga guwaps. And we all ordered Chinese food. This one is chicken.
This one is chicken.
Ik heb dat gekozen.
Papa had dat gekocht.
Oh, looks lekker. And the squid. Oh, yummy, yummy.
Squid is so yummy. Yummy in my tummy.
And the nasi. And the bami. Ayan. Kain!
Tayo.
I want to try the squid. If it's lekker. It's makalik. It is lekker. Masarap. May mo veel tawa. Maar de smaak, de taste is lekker.
En de... Dat is lekker. Het proeft naar appels.
Nee, serieus?
Amazing.
How is it possible?
Ja.
Gaan we iets kijken?